Hey guys, welcome to Technozar. This is Rohit Sharma, and in this video we are going to analyze a quiz 2 which was based upon microprocessor and microcontroller. In this quiz, there are total 20 questions and the total marks is 80 marks. Those who want to attempt quizzes, they should join Telegram. They should join our Telegram group, ISRO for ECE. Okay, so let's start the video. Question number first. Which one of the following statements is correct? A microcontroller differs from a microprocessor. First of all, one thing, microprocessor does not have its own memory. External memory is connected, but microcontroller has its own memory. Okay, therefore option A is the correct answer. Both on-chip memory as well as on-chip ports. Question number 2. Machine instructions are written using which of the following? Bits 0 and 1 only. Okay, machine instructions are written using bits 0 and 1 only. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 3. If the status of the control system S1 and S0 is low, 8085 microprocessors performing. Okay, let's see. S1, S0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. At 0, 0, when S1 and S0 is low, it will perform halt operation. 0, 1, it will perform write. 1, 0, it will perform read, and 1, 1 will be opcode fetch. Okay, therefore option answer will be halt operation. Therefore option C is the correct answer. Question number 4. Which signal of 8085 is used to insert wait state? Only ready signal is used to insert wait states. What is the vector address of RST5? To find the vector address, the formula is n into 8. Okay. Here n is given as 5 into 8, which is equal to 40. 40 is decimal equivalent. We have to find in hexadecimal. Then change 40 in hexadecimal. We will come out to be 28 in hexadecimal. Therefore answer will be 0.028H is the answer. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. A memory system of size 16 KB is required to design using memory chips which have 12 address lines and 4 data lines. The number of chips. What is the question is saying? We have to design a memory system of 16 KB. Okay, we have to design a memory system of 16 KB. That will be equal to 16. That is 16 into 1024 kilo. That is kilobyte, and byte 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. We can write this is the memory system. Okay, and to find the size of the given chip, when address line and data lines are given, then formula will be 2n into m. Okay, n is the number of address line, that is equal to 2 to the power 12 into m is the data line, that is 4. If we have to write this, we can write 2 square into 1010, that is 2 to the power 10 into 4, which is equal to 4 into 1024 into 4. If we want to find the number of chips that will be in the system, 16 into 1024 system memory divided by the chip memory, we will get the number of chips. Okay, 1024, 1024, 4 4s are 16, that will cancel out. Therefore 8 will be the answer. 8 number of chips are required. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. This is a programming question of 8085 microprocessor. First, they have said XRA A. XRA A means we have to clear the accumulator. Clearing the accumulator will give 00H, accumulator as 00H, moving the data of accumulator to L. Therefore L will be 00H. Okay. Now move H comma L, then H will have 00H. Okay, INX H, increment H. Okay, we have to increment the H. On incrementing, after incrementing H, HL pair will have HL have 00 plus, we will increment this by 1. Therefore after increment we will get HL plus 001H. HL is 0001H. Okay, HL is 0000H. Okay, after this we have to apply this instruction DADH. DAD is double addition register pair. Okay, double addition register pair. Addition register pair. Okay, and HL pair is 0001H. On double addition 0001H, we will get 002H as the answer. Therefore, option D is the correct answer here. Question number 8. A stack is a set of memory location in read or write memory reserved for storing information temporary. Okay. Stack operates as a push or pop. This work on last in first out, LIFO, last in first out operation. Okay. And this is a temporary based operation. Therefore, option C is the correct answer here. Which one of the following control bits of 8086 flag register is used to put the trap flag? Okay, option B is the correct answer. Okay, in 8085 processor, this is the LPSC. No. This is VSSC 2019 question. Okay, VSSC 2019 question. How we can solve this question? Let's see. Okay. First command is. First, we know that register B contains 0x03H, register C contains 0x04H. Okay. They have said first command is move immediate data A accumulator mein. We have to put 0x00H in accumulator. Then accumulator will be 0x00H. After this, we have to perform the instruction loop add B. That means we have to add B in the content of accumulator. Okay. Therefore, this will be 0x0 plus B is 0x03. That will be equal to 0x03H. Okay. After performing loop add B, we will get 0x03H. After this, they have said decrement C. We have to decrement C. C is 0x04H. 0x04H decrement 0x03. Then they have said JNSZ loop. JNSZ loop means jump if not 0. Jump if not 0. We have to repeat this operation till we get answer as 0. On decrementing this 0x03 H, on decrementing 1, we will add 0x03 to this 0x06. Okay, we have to perform this function till we get 0 in this on decrementing C, on decrementing the register C. After 0x03, 0x02, we will add another 0x03 here. That will get 0x09. Okay, after this we will have on decrementing 0x01, we will add 0x09 plus 0x03. We will get 0x12. Okay, after this we will get 0x0. That will be 0. Now we don't have to add anything to this operation. Therefore, we will get answer as 0x12H. And we know that we can write 12 in hexadecimal as C. Therefore, answer will be 0x0CH. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, this is the last previous year paper VSSC question of ISRO exam. Next, a memory with 8-bit data bus and 16 bits address bus. To find the memory, we know that the formula is 2n into m. N is the number of address line, that is equal to 2 into 2 raised to power 16 into 8-bit data bus. Okay, we can write this as 2 raised to power 6 1024. That is 2 to the power 10 into 8. Okay, 2 to the power 6 is 64. 1024 is taken as kilobyte and 1 byte has 8 bits. Okay, therefore 64 KB is the answer. How many bits are required to implement a microprocessor having 115 instruction? If we say that 2 to the power n is the total instructions in a microprocessor, then if we take 2 to the power 6, that is 64, and we have to implement 115 instruction. Then 2 raised to power 7 is 128 instruction. Therefore, 7 bit are required to implement a microprocessor having 115 instructions. Okay. When 8051 microcontroller is powered up, the stack pointer contains the value of 07H. Okay. Remember this question. Question number 14, that is important. This is also a previous year paper question. The period of machine cycle of an 8051 based microcontroller with crystal frequency 16 megahertz. The period of a machine cycle, okay, only for one period. And we know that one machine cycle is equal to 12 periods. Their frequency for one period will be 16 divided by 12 megahertz, that is equal to 1.33 megahertz. Then what will be the frequency of one period? 1 upon t, that is, we have to find the time period. Time period is equal to 1 upon frequency. Then 1 upon 1.33 megahertz, that will come out to be 0.75 microsecond, approximate answer. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Question number 15th, very important question. This question belongs to a microcontroller 8051. Okay, first we have to move A, hash 0. Therefore, A will contain 0 here. Move R to hash 10. R2 will be 10. Again, add A hash 25. Accumulator will contain 25. Okay, and we have to implement this operation again, add A hash 25. After this, they have said DJ NZ R2, A. That means we have to decrement 1 and again add 25 until it become 0. Until the register 2, the value of the register 2 become 0. Okay. When the register 2 is 10, we are getting A is 25. When this is 9, we are adding 25 because the register value is not 0. Therefore, A 50, 8, 75 and so on up to when it is on 1, we will get A is 250. After 0, we don't have to add 25 to the number. Okay, A is equal to 25 and A is equal to 250 and that is the decimal equivalent. And we have to find the hexadecimal form of 250. On finding the hexadecimal, we will get FAH as the answer. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. This question is very important as ISRO exam point of view. Okay. Question number 16. It is the memory based question. Which of the following methods bypasses the CPU for data? That is the direct memory access. Okay. This is also a memory based question. For which instruction of program in memory the CPU? First, CPU will fetch the data, then decode the data and then it will execute. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Question number 18. MVI A, C4H, that is move immediate data C4H to the accumulator, that is A is C4H. Okay. After this, they have said ORA accumulator or the accumulator. Okay. That is A is C4H plus C4H. On ORing this 1100 plus we can write C4H as 1100. On adding 1100. On ORing this, we will get the same number as 1100. Okay. After this, we have to implement this instruction, that is RRC. RRC is rotate accumulator right. That is 1100. We have to transfer this value to here. Okay, the answer will be 01100010. Okay, after this we have to rotate the accumulator left through carry, that is this. We will come out to 11001000. Okay, after this, then again we have to rotate the accumulator towards right. Here 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. Answer will be 011010. If we write this in hexadecimal form, 0110 will be 6, 0010 will be 62. That is 62H is the correct answer, option B. Question number 19. The number of pins in a 8086 microprocessor will be 40 pins. Question number 20. I have seen many of the students is having problem in this question. An interrupt in which the external device supplies its address as well as the interrupt request is known as the. Okay. First of all, what is a vector interrupt? Vector interrupts are those interrupts which have fixed addresses. Maskable interrupts are those addresses which can be disabled or ignored by the microprocessor. Third, polled interrupts are the interrupts which are ready to use, but does not indicate which device we have to use. Okay, but does not indicate which device we have to use. Non-maskable interrupts cannot be disabled. We cannot disable the non-maskable interrupts. Okay, cannot be disabled. Therefore, here many students are saying maskable interrupt is the correct answer. No, here polled interrupt is the correct answer, as we have to an interrupt in which the external device supplies its address as well as the interrupt request. Both the thing. Then polled interrupt can do this thing. Maskable interrupt can only disable or ignored by the microprocessor. Okay. Therefore, option C is the correct answer here. And if you have any doubt related to this question, question number 20, please ask me in the Telegram group about this question. And if you like the video, please like the video, share the video as much as possible to the friend, and subscribe the channel so that I can also be motivated to make more and more videos for you. Okay, then all the best. Get ready for quiz 3 today at 7 p.m. okay, for analog electronics. Bye.